everybody, welcome back. My name's Sierra if you're new here. This week I didn't specifically film an intro, so this is kind of when my friend Ariel came to visit, and I hope you enjoy.
Manhandling her chicken. Garlic. In the sun. It's finally sunny. It's nice out.
Not quite golden hour yet. Maybe if you did this one. It's golden hour?
No. White hour.
Yeah.
Then in a little bit, we're gonna go to Leith, and I'm gonna get my tattoo touched up while Ariel does some shopping. And then I'm gonna meet up with her. She's gonna meet up with me. We're gonna head back because we have to pack and clean up and eat the food in my fridge before going to inverness. Yay! I'm so excited.
6 in the morning.
We're gonna take the bus there and stay there for a few days. I still have homework to do, so I will be doing that on the bus when I can and whenever we're in our hotel. But I'm excited. We get to see Loch Ness. Okay, I will see you later. To Inverness.
Cold.
It's cold. This bridge is bouncing and I don't like it. Quiet. There's dolls. I don't like dolls.
There's a pretty oil painting that was hung up on the staircase.
It was like 220 pounds though.
That bear looks evil.
That bear looks evil. Oh my god. Can't. I got granola stuck in my throat.
I can't see it with the sun. What do you think?
It's cold but pretty. But I feel like we like dug a little, like we moved rocks.
We searched. We searched for those hack stones. We were also there for like hours.
It helped too that it was by the ocean.
Yeah.
We looked more near the water.
Yeah. It was on Ruby Beach.
Yeah.
Bruh, I can't believe we're at Loch Ness right now. I would dream about this.
I've been watching the movies.
I know, I've been watching the movies. We would watch all of those like documentaries of like searching for the Loch Ness monster and stuff.
That is true. Use Washington, the home of Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Loch Ness. Now, where's the Yeti?
Oh god, the Himalayas.
Where's that at?
Himalayas. But
I think those are the three main like mystery monsters.
yeah. Okay, there's your.
Oh,
Boom. Sea glass. Oops. You went. You just went. Oh.
well, that is like a perfect sea glass. Sure, that's sea glass. Is that a
I don't know. I don't think that's a rock. It's pretty clear.
Probably not.
Oh my god.
Cold.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe like 10 seconds.
Oh. That was really cold. That was colder than Morty Bay. Oh. Ice. I would have. Yeah. My toes are so cold. It's so scenic. I kind of can't believe I'm here. This is like a childhood dream. I'm so glad that we were able to come. It is really interesting. I feel like in some ways nature moves a little differently here compared to back home. And like, I mean also Scotland is at a higher sea level than, you know, Arizona, but like the clouds I feel like move differently, and watching the water I feel like it just moves differently. I can also see how like it could give the illusion that something's in the water when they're like, you know, like given like, oh, it's like the back of like Nessie or something like that. Like I can see how that's probably not as likely because of just like the way the lake moves. My hands are so cold.
My hands are still like in my gloves and they're like get icy. It's like my fingertips.
Mine are colder than my toes that were in the water. Look.
That was good.
Right?
Now you get to say you drew Loch Ness.
I drew like this. can if you don't want to take the same bite from me.
This is like juicy drool right there.
That wasn't drool. That was from, dude, the cucumber. I was gonna say it's a juicy cucumber. There was so much water that was just like, nah. I got it all over my jacket. This looks wrong. My nose is cold.
To the castle.
To the castle. To a castle. I don't think this is the one that's right on the... That's like the famous one by the lock.
No, this is like, it looks like a modern day castle.
Mm.
Like either like a hotel or people going to it.
Right.
I mean, I like how there's a trail to it. That's cool.
The like tunnel. The tunnel's cool. Created by the tree branches. I wasn't expecting you to stop.
I'm so deep in everywhere.